AR Farms, ethical minefield farms where they put AR glasses on. By 2050, the human population will have reached 10 billion. That is 5 times the population of 1915, and as a result, food demand will nearly double by the year 2050. In agriculture, augmented reality is a new hope for dealing with the challenge of rising food demand. Indeed, rising food demand causes farmers to suffer greatly. Farmers are hoping for better days ahead. The inability to meet rising food demand could have serious consequences, including starvation, mortality, and political unrest. As a result, a transitional change in agriculture becomes necessary. So how will AR be the solution and bring a difference in agriculture today? Let's find out in today's video, and for more tech updates, stay tuned to Techque. Here we begin. Do you believe that farming consists of 2 steps, sowing seeds and harvesting? Farming is much more than this. Farming, on the other hand, incorporates additional processes. These are measurements that timetables derive from a scientific farming approach. Farmers manually check the fertility of each plot of land. As a result, farming has become a complex and time-consuming process. How AR can optimize farming processes. The benefits of augmented reality become clear when examples of how it contributes to agriculture optimization are provided. The following are some fascinating augmented reality farming applications. Farmers can use augmented reality to discover new opportunities. Farming has no room for trial and error, and many farmers often need more time to implement disruptive solutions. Smart farming technology is too abstract and irrelevant. In Africa, for example, farms desperately needed agriculture irrigation optimization, but farmers were hesitant to adopt it because they didn't believe in its potential. Irrigation engineers used AR to persuade local farmers that adopting new irrigation technology would help them increase crop yields. Cattle farmers use augmented reality for smart farming. AR has a lot to offer cattle farmers as a new smart farming technology. Combined with smart sensors, farmers can identify and monitor specific animals. For example, if one of the cows in the herd becomes ill, farmers can receive automatic alerts about the animal's condition. Coupled with all-in-one herd monitoring solutions like NEDAP cow control, AR tools deliver relevant information directly in front of the farmer's eyes and enable them to act on the spot and make timely decisions. AR assists farmers with tool selection. Modern farming necessitates the use of complex tools and machinery and the decision of which to use in any given situation. It may be difficult to choose, especially for inexperienced farm workers. This is where augmented reality can help. An augmented reality app will evaluate the current task and project and the best option on the screen of the AR device. The widespread use of augmented reality in large-scale agriculture is unavoidable, but at the forefront of this technology by considering how AR can help in agricultural business. Many people are concerned about the cost of AR. However, as AR technology becomes more sophisticated and affordable, farmers will find it easier to implement AR to streamline agricultural processes. Other benefits of AR. As simple as it may seem, farming is one of the most laborious trades on the planet. Crop and livestock farming are time and resource intensive, requiring special skills and physical labor. In this regard, AR has a lot of potential to help farmers streamline their operations. The following are the business advantages of augmented reality for agriculture optimization. Pesticide or insect detection. In agriculture, augmented reality plays a pivotal role in the field check and pest insect detection processes. Furthermore, it determines the soil properties and crops to be sown on a specific plot of land. By simply looking at the application, AR can assist in understanding pest and crop conditions. Furthermore, you may believe that more than data collected via sensors is required for the AR overlay. You would be correct. As a result, data from nearby devices are used to display the AR overlay. Weather updates using AR. Furthermore, AR can be used to obtain weather forecasts. In farming, augmented reality provides farmers with accurate and real-time weather information. This useful information may aid farmers in their crop selection desires. Farming is one of the industries that significantly impact weather patterns. In this case, augmented reality assists farmers in gaining real-time weather insights. Real-time, accurate, and location-specific weather updates aid in mitigating farming risks. Farmers' hard work, time, and resources are wasted due to the unpredictable nature of the weather. In that case, AR will assist farmers in taking proactive measures. Cutting staff costs. When combined with monitoring technology and AI for precision farming, AR can reduce the need for farm workers to check on the status of the crops or livestock on a regular basis. Furthermore, farmers can now hire personnel with only fundamental skills and knowledge and train them for real-time AR training. Simulated training using AR. In fact, the use of augmented reality AR is prevalent in manufacturing, healthcare, and real estate, but its application in agriculture has yet to be exposed. Farming requires the use of complex tools and machinery, making it a complex process. AR training will assist farmers in providing interactive and safe training. For example, a tablet or smartphone can now be used to operate farm equipment. As a result, farmers can now capture and share information on machinery, crops, and livestock in the most efficient way possible. Avoiding downtime and disruptions. AR can help with farm machinery preventative maintenance. Farmers can detect breakages, defects, or malfunctions and schedule timely repairs with AR content that provides timely and informative updates. Facilitating decision-making. AR is important in precision farming, a data-driven agriculture approach. AR can help farmers make accurate and timely decisions by providing them instant access to valuable data. Certainly, collecting and analyzing this data will necessitate the use of AR technology in tandem with AI analytics and the IoT. Still, the results could provide farmers with an unprecedented competitive advantage. How augmented reality glasses work. AR has a lot to offer in terms of smart farming. Let us now investigate how augmented reality works in order to debunk the concept. AR technology adds text, sounds, graphics, and multimedia to the immediate real-life environment, creating an enhanced version of reality. Unlike VR, it enhances the existing immersive environment instead of creating a new one. AR provides this experience via a smartphone screen or hardware such as AR glasses. Customers can look through the AR content while seeing what is in front of their eyes. The AR set software generates the content that is projected onto the AR glasses or smartphone screen. For example, a farmer wearing AR glasses inspects a crop for pest infections, and the AR software identifies known pests, matching them to those spotted in the field, and transmits the information to the AR screen. So what do you think of AR farms? Will they be highly profitable to farmers and agriculture? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and for more tech updates, subscribe to Techque. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss any notifications from us, and also hit the bell icon so you always are reminded when we release a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care.